Hey everyone! I'll show you how to use virtual desktops in Windows to stay organized and boost your productivity. So, what exactly is a virtual desktop? A virtual desktop is like having multiple separate workspaces on the same computer. Instead of cramming all your apps and windows into one screen, you can spread them out across different desktops. For example, on this desktop screen I use this desktop for work. Now I open the File Explorer. Now I open another new desktop, Desktop 2, for personal browsing. I can also open more virtual desktop. I am now opening another new Desktop 3. It helps reduce clutter and makes multitasking much easier. How to create a virtual desktop? Creating a new virtual desktop is super simple. Just press Ctrl plus Windows key plus D on your keyboard. Instantly, Windows will create a new desktop and switch you to it. You'll notice it looks clean, like a fresh workspace ready for new apps. How to switch between virtual desktops? Now, to move between your desktops, use this shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Windows key plus left arrow to go to the previous desktop, or Ctrl plus Windows key plus right arrow to go to the next one. This makes it really fast to jump between different tasks without minimizing or reopening apps. How to remove a virtual desktop? If you're done with a desktop and want to close it, just press Ctrl plus Windows key plus F4. Don't worry, your open apps won't be lost. They'll automatically move to the previous desktop. And that's it. Virtual desktops are a simple but powerful way to keep your workflow organized. Give it a try and see how it improves your productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.